Some dashboard cleaners leave a film that looks great for a day and then turns your dash into a dust magnet. I tested 7 from Amazon on the same dashboard panel to find the ones that clean without leaving anything behind. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys Nonsense Odorless Cleaner. This all-purpose interior spray is engineered for deep cleaning across dashboards, vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. The balanced foaming formula cuts through embedded dirt without altering the natural appearance of your interior. It tackles grime and surface buildup effectively on upholstery and carpets too. However, some users mention it can require multiple applications for stubborn stains. For owners who want a versatile cleaner that works across multiple interior materials, the Chemical Guys Nonsense is a practical choice. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. This product bundles the liquid cleaner with 3 microfiber towels for a complete package. The formula cleans and protects virtually every car interior surface in a single step. It is formulated gently enough for delicate materials, yet powerful enough to handle tough dirt. However, the liquid requires careful application to avoid oversaturating surfaces. For drivers looking for a comprehensive interior solution with included application tools, the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. This 15.2-ounce spray bottle provides UV protection alongside effective cleaning for dashboards and interior trim. It safely cleans steering wheels, stereo controls, navigation screens, and door panels. The formula leaves behind a satin-sealed protective finish that lasts for weeks. However, the satin finish may be too glossy for some dashboard preferences. For budget-conscious detailers seeking dashboard protection with lasting shine, the Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer is an excellent choice. At number 4, we have the Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner Spray. This USA-manufactured formula delivers reliable residue-free cleaning across seats, carpet, vinyl, and dashboards. The 22 fluid-ounce bottle provides substantial cleaning power for comprehensive interior maintenance. It is designed specifically for trucks, SUVs, and RVs alongside standard vehicles. However, the larger bottle size requires dedicated storage space in your detailing collection. For those seeking USA-made quality in a larger format, the Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner is a dependable choice. At number 5, we have the ASFSKY Car Cleaning Gel. This gel-based formula offers a unique alternative to traditional liquid cleaners for dashboard maintenance. The super sticky texture lifts dirt, dust, and debris from air vents and hard-to-reach crevices without water or mess. It works safely on dashboards, cup holders, and between seat seams. However, the gel requires manual handling and is not ideal for large open surface areas. For detailers tackling intricate interior spaces, the ASFSKY Cleaning Gel is a specialized choice. Coming up next, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner Wipes. This 50-pack of pre-moistened wipes delivers the trusted Total Interior formula in convenient grab-and-go format. Each wipe is saturated with cleaner and protectant, suitable for dashboards, seats, and door panels. The wipes eliminate mixing or measuring, making quick touch-ups effortless. However, pre-saturated wipes dry out if containers are not sealed properly between uses. For drivers preferring convenient wipe-based cleaning for dashboards, the Chemical Guys Total Interior Wipes is a practical choice. The last one on our list is the Armor All Interior Car Cleaning Wipes. This 25-count canister provides residue-free cleaning specifically engineered for dashboards and vinyl surfaces. The formula removes tough dirt, dust, and stubborn smudges effectively from clear plastics and carpet. The low price point makes this option accessible for regular maintenance. However, the smaller wipe count means more frequent repurchasing compared to larger packs. For budget-minded owners seeking quick dashboard maintenance, the Armor All Interior Wipes is a practical choice. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and check the links below for the best current deals on all of these products. Thanks for watching.